Welcome back to day 2 of our 30-day English speaking course. I'm so happy you're here again. Yesterday, we learned how to greet people in English. Today, we're going to learn something even more important, how to talk about yourself. This lesson will give you the confidence to introduce yourself clearly, talk about your life, and connect with people easily. Whether you're meeting new friends, attending a class, or joining a work meeting, this skill will help you every day. Let's get started. Part 1. Why talking about yourself matters. When you meet someone, they usually ask, "What's your name?" or "Where are you from?" If you don't know how to answer, the conversation can feel awkward. But if you can introduce yourself naturally, it makes everything easier. It helps you build relationships, get job opportunities, and feel confident when you speak English. So today, we'll learn how to introduce yourself, how to talk about your background, how to describe your job or studies, how to share your hobbies and interests, how to talk about your family, and how to answer common personal questions. Part 2. Basic self-introduction, step by step. Let's start with the most basic introduction. Say this out loud. "Hi, my name is James. I'm from the United States. I'm a teacher. I enjoy traveling and playing guitar." Now, let's break that into steps. Step 1. Say your name. "Hi, my name is James." Step 2. Say where you're from. "I'm from the United States." Step 3. Say what you do. "I'm a teacher." Step 4. Say something personal. "I enjoy traveling and playing guitar." Now let's practice again with another example. "Hi, I'm Aisha. I'm from Pakistan. I'm a student. I love reading books and learning new languages." Now you try. Say your name, where you're from, what you do, and one hobby. Part 3. Talking about what you do. Let's go deeper. When someone asks, "What do you do?" they want to know if you work, study, or do something else. Here are some ways to answer. "I work as a nurse." "I'm an engineer." "I teach English." "I'm a student." "I run my own business." "I'm currently looking for a job." "I stay at home and take care of my family." Repeat these sentences with me. I work as a nurse. I'm a student. I run a business. I stay at home. Now think about your own life. What do you do? Try making your own sentence now. Part 4. Talking about your hobbies in detail. Hobbies make your introduction more interesting. Instead of just saying, "I like music," try giving a little more detail. For example, "I like music, especially pop and jazz." "I enjoy reading, especially mystery novels." "I love playing soccer. I play every weekend with my friends." "I'm really into cooking. I enjoy trying new recipes." Now, repeat after me. I like music, especially pop and jazz. I enjoy reading mystery novels. I play soccer every weekend. I love trying new recipes. Now you try. Choose a hobby and add some details. Part 5. Talking about your family. Let's talk about family. You can share basic information like, "I live with my parents." "I have 2 sisters." "I'm married." "I have a son and a daughter." Let's expand with some examples. "I live with my parents and my younger brother." "I'm married and we have 1 child." "I come from a big family with 4 siblings." "My family lives in a small town near the capital." Repeat with me. I live with my parents and my younger brother. I come from a big family. I'm married and we have 1 child. Now try making your own sentence about your family. Part 6. Common questions about you. Here are common questions people may ask. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What are your hobbies? Tell me about your family. Do you like your job or school? Let's practice answering them. Q. What's your name? A. My name is Ollie. Q. Where are you from? A. I'm from Morocco. Q. What do you do? A. I'm a university student. Q. What are your hobbies? A. I enjoy watching movies and going for walks. Q. Do you like your job? A. Yes, I enjoy teaching very much. Practice with your own answers. Part 8. Practice dialogue. Let's practice a full conversation. Listen carefully. Hi, I'm Emma. What's your name? A. I'm Arjun. Nice to meet you. B. Nice to meet you too. A. Where are you from, Arjun? B. I'm from India. And you? A. I'm from Australia. What do you do? B. I am an architect. What about you? A. I'm a university student. What are your hobbies? B. I love photography and traveling. Now try saying both A and B roles yourself. Part 8. Bonus tips for better introductions. Here are some bonus tips. Smile when you introduce yourself. Speak clearly and don't rush. Use your hands for natural gestures. Maintain eye contact, if culturally appropriate. Be confident, even if your English is not perfect. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Every time you practice, you get better. Part 9. Review time. Let's review what you learned today. How to introduce yourself, how to talk about your job or studies, how to share hobbies in detail, how to describe your family, and how to answer common personal questions. You're doing improving fast. Quiz time. Please answer these in the comment section below. The correct answers are available in the PDF file linked in the description box. 1. What are the 4 basic steps to introduce yourself? 2. How can you describe your hobby in more detail? 3. Complete this sentence. I work as a blank. I enjoy blank. You've done an amazing job today. Be proud of your progress. I'll see you tomorrow in day 3, where we'll learn how to ask and answer everyday questions. Until then, keep practicing. Goodbye.